Hi! In front of me is Honor 9A, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this smartphone. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing sounds and vibration. Over here, click on the switcher next to vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then you need to scroll down, choose phone ringtone over here and tap on allow. Then you can turn on or off vibrations for scene 1 or scene 2 by clicking on the switcher next to vibrate. After that, go back, scroll all the way down, tap on more sound settings and turn on or off vibrations on touch by tapping on the switcher next to this feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!